How to add the fill in the blank line in the Google Docs. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can just add the fill in the blank lines on the Google Docs. Watch this video till the very end to know how you can do it. Open and search for the Google Docs, choose your preferred account. Now you just want to add the fill in the blanks. Just tap on the edit section right here. Now place your cursor to where you want your fill in the blanks line to be added on. After you do that, tap on the very A option, which you find it right here, and you can see there is a line spacing and many other options right here, but you want to add the fill in the blank option, so just tap on the plus icon and search a little bit down, and then you will see the very option of table. On the table you will see columns and rows, but you don't want to add table and the line, so just tap on this very horizontal line. So you can just place your cursor to just above the horizontal line and fill in the blanks as you want to, and just add any words on it as well. So this is how you can add a line on your document of Google Docs. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.